Hey guys, it's Emily the Relentless Dreamer. I'm back. Oh my gosh, how crazy, with another video. This video is a bit different. I'm excited. Blackhead Studio on Instagram reached out to me and offered to send me some things. And so of course I said, oh my gosh, heck yes. So I have some things that I'm gonna unbox and I'm really excited. So I guess let's just get into it, shall we? Don't judge me, I couldn't find scissors, so I have a knife. That was really awkward to say. I've had this package sitting on my dresser for a few days now, waiting for me to have time to film a video, and finally, that time is today. Yes. Yes, this is so cool. This is the box that came in. I don't know if you can see it. It's Blackhead. Very cool design and logo, and it's a sturdy box. The sides say black is everything, and honestly that is something that I relate to. So black. Oh, it looks so fancy. I love it. We have the 4 things. So 2 of the things that I'm so excited. I cannot stop. 2 of the products are from a new line that is coming out. I need to see how to pronounce it. These 2 are both Mishka with Blackhead. I don't know how you pronounce things like that, but I'm very excited either way, which is a new line coming out. I will 100% link everything in the bio if it's out. So see, they've got the shiny boxes. You can't really see, but there is a really faint different detail on these boxes. I can't control myself. This is so exciting. I'm so excited, I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'm just gonna start with this. Who knows what this is? I can't remember. Ooh, oh my gosh. So these are earrings, by the way. I got excited and literally just put them down next to me. They came in a little box, all packaged up here, but they also come with, this is so fancy, oh my god, a little Blackhead Studio bag to keep them in, which we love. So these ones are 2 different earrings that you wear at the same time. It's so cool. So this is like a little eyeball moment. And then Blackhead Studio logo. So I'm gonna put those in my ears. I should have brought a mirror in here. So these are the earrings. We've got the little eyeball here. And then we've got the little Blackhead Studio sign. And they're very, very cool and comfy, and they feel like this has got like a little bit of weight to it. They feel like decent quality, which is what we want. Yes, I have found my new favorite earrings. Don't mind me running all over the place. Okay, this one feels heavy. I did choose these, but it's been, it's pretty. This is a necklace. Again, it's come with it's come in a box with a bag, because we love storage and storing things where they get protected. So this has come in a plastic bag, and then to protect the chains, come in another plastic bag. Wow, this is so cool. I feel like an idiot, I'm so excited. I was actually planning on buying from this store, and then they reached out to me, so like it all just worked out really well. This is so cool. Okay, so this is the chain here. Oh my gosh, wow. I feel like such an idiot. So can I just point out this butterfly here? It has a piercing. This butterfly has a piercing in it that like moves. Can you see the piercing? And it's also got 3 kind of like translucent green. What do you call pieces of a chain? I don't know. Anyway, I need to be wearing this immediately. And the little thing that says Blackhead Studio is covered in plastic to protect it. I need to call my best friend and tell him that how cool this stuff is. I feel very cool right now. Yes, yes. Oh my gosh, and was this not the perfect top to wear? So here we go, close-up look. I am obsessed. Okay, so we have 2 more things. This one's a bit weighty. I'm gonna go for that one first. Oh yes, this is definitely Blackhead. This is a bracelet and looks so fancy. Wow, this is so cool. So it is a bracelet and it is half gold in color and then silver, and it has the bee in the middle. How the heck am I gonna get this on by myself? Oh my gosh. It just, the quality of everything, I cannot express how obsessed I am. Okay, well I will be wearing this because I don't know if I'll ever be able to get this off with my level of coordination skills. Oh! I did not expect myself to be like this, but I'm happy. So this is the bracelet. It's very pretty, very bougie. It's got actually the clasp is nice. It's not just like a base clasp. It looks fancy and I love it. Oh my goodness. I am simply obsessed. And I guess with that we'll get on to the last piece. And again, that came with a cloth bag for storage. Last piece. This comes in a really funky bag. Hell yeah. See, look, it's fancy. It's not just plastic. And it has a QR code on the back. This piece looks like this. And I picked this because I thought, huh, this is a bit weird. I'm gonna try it. And essentially it goes in your mouth, like the side of your mouth, like a smile. So I'm gonna try to do that without smudging my lipstick. I'm actually gonna go to a mirror for this. Okay, this piece is a bit different. I think this piece would be really cool if I did different lips and more of an avant-garde like makeup look. I am buzzing with ideas. It's surprisingly comfy. It just chills there. It does press into my skin like a little bit, which is why I have questionable feelings about it. I'm trying to find the best place I want it to sit. I do like it though. I think it's very cool. I don't know why it sits more comfortably there, but I like it looking better on the other side. I am excited to work this one out though. Hell yeah! So, this was a quicker video than I thought. I feel like I whizzed through in all of my excitement. This is Blackhead Studio. I thoroughly recommend that you check them out. I will definitely be buying from them because their range is so cool and it's different, which is what I really like. It's not stuff that everyone's gonna be wearing. It's something with a bit of an edge. They're cool. I think they're like a small indie brand. Support small business, guys. I'm very excited to wear all of these pieces, all 4 of them, and work them into different looks. I will probably post some photos on my Instagram. I will definitely post photos on my Instagram. I'm so excited. I feel worn out with all the emotional energy that I've just given off into the world. It is a good thing. I will link everything in the description below. 100% go check them out, give them some support. I love all of these items. I am very impressed by the quality, and just working with them was a really lovely experience. So I'm very grateful that they gifted me all these things, and this is 100% my, I'm sure you can see it, but this is definitely a real genuine reaction. I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. This has made my day. Lots of love to all of you guys. Hope you're staying safe and staying well. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.